Hello everyone, I'm back with another new video on a Guidepad Academy and I hope you are all doing very well. So in this today's video, I have excited news from Google that Google is now open their software engineering internship opportunity for summer 2026. And in this video, you will get all the key information about this internship and also you get to know how to apply for this internship. But before starting the video, make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so you will be never miss any update from us side. So let's get started. If you click the link which is available in the description, you will be redirected to this page where you can find the official career page of Google, where you can see this post. The software engineering internship for the summer 2026 is now open. And if you talk about this internship, the location might be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. So if you belong from the Karnataka, Telangana and Maharashtra state, you can definitely apply for this internship. If you talk about the minimum qualification, you should have to be a pursuing students of a bachelor, masters in the computer science or a related field. Particularly, you should have to be a bachelor and masters in a computer science or related field, means that you should have to be a pursuing your bachelor's and a master in data science, AI, ML and other technologies. And also, you should have to be a good knowledge in any general purpose language, that is a Java, C, CPP, Python, JavaScript, Go and other technologies. Also, you should have to be a minimum knowledge of the data structure and algorithm along with this any of this technology. Also, you should have to be a working experience in a Linux environment, because this internship is going on a Linux environment system. So you should have to be familiar with a Linux environment system also you should have to be experienced in a software design. And if you talk about the preferred qualification, this above is a minimum requirement of a qualification, and this all the preferred qualification which is actually important. So you should have to be currently studying in a second year, third year or a fourth year students. So this internship is only available for the pursuing students. And also you should have to be a little bit experience in a data structure and algorithm along with this all any of a technology. And if you talk about the more, you should have to be a ability to work and eager to learn on projects that related to be a mobile development, distributing, parallel systems, machine learning, information retrieval, natural language process, networking, deploying the large software system and security software. So your internship is going on any of these technology. You should have to be eager to learn any of this technology, then this internship is very good for you guys. If you talk about the another preferred qualification, you should have to be a showcase your some extracurricular activity certification, that might be your paper presentation certification, participate in a hackathons and win some coding competitions. If you talk about the little bit this internship opportunity, so particularly you are going to be a worker any of this related field. And also this internship is only for the pursuing students. The start date of internship is May 2026 and this internship will be go up to 10 to 12 weeks. So this internship is start in a next year, but you should have to be apply right now because Google selection process take a longer time. So you should have to be apply right now because this application form is open now. You should have to be apply before closing it. You will be get paid for the 10 to 12 weeks for this internship. So this is the paid internship from Google, and it is a very good point. As we know, the Google offer from 50,000 to 1 lakh for their interns during the internship. And as we know, you are going to be create some software stuff, fixing some bugs issue, extended the code and scalable the code. This all you are going to be a learner in this Google internship. And if you talk about the responsibility, you are going to be a research, create and develop the software application to extend and improve their performance on Google products. Also, you are going to be contributing the projects that is particularly designed in artificial intelligence, natural language process, data compromisation, machine learning and search optimization. And also you are going to be collaborate to solving the large scale issue. So this is all the key information for the Google internship opportunity. For applying this opportunity, just click on apply now. You will be redirected to this page where you can see you should have to fill your little bit personal info, your phone number and resume. Make sure that your resume should be a ATS approved resume. Go and check our WhatsApp group link in the description where you can find some ATS approved resume, and just fill this all and just submit your profile. After completing this first stage, you just need to click some check boxes, and this will be done within 5 minutes. So this is all for today's video. I hope you find this video very useful and helpful. Please share this video with your friends, family, students who really want to learn some skill and start their career. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.